I once said I couldn't use 1 centimetre tiles like this, tiny little thing, square, and I never ever wanted to use them because I couldn't keystone them. Who said I can't keystone them? Me! Talk about a limiting belief. Now with this amazing, let me just get it ready to rock and roll, with this amazing grinder's mate, I can. So what I can do is grip the tile with the mate, and you can see that little line. I don't have to grind very much off to make lefties and righties, but let's have a look at how I make a keystone. I'm just going to grind that little edge away. That's as long as it took to take that little edge off. And let me show you, I have now a righty. I can barely hold it. So we of the Wobbly Hand Brigade, don't let that stop you. Hey, if you have a grinder, get one of these little guys. It's just fantastic. Let me do the other side just to make sure you believe me. So all I'm doing is pressing the grinding wheel at this point here, and then when it looks like it's hit that line, I just scooch it up to make it a straight line. And there I have the perfect little keystone. See if I can get closer and have it zoom in. So that's a 1 centimetre. Now the real trick is to actually glue it on without gluing myself to the substrate. So we can do it. Yay for the Wobbly Hand Brigade.